Here is the complete and updated path to find where Cricket 19 save files and config folders on any PC. All you have to do is open up File Explorer and go to C drive and open the users folder and double click on your username. If it doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on it. And now find the documents folder, double click on it, my games folder, and open the Cricket 19 folder. And this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I'll show you guys backup guide. Just go back and copy this Cricket 19 folder and paste it in another location. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore just by copying this folder and paste it in this location, and your save game progress will be back. Now I'll show you guys the config file location. Open the Cricket 19 folder and right click on the config and select edit in notepad, and you can edit the values and select the file and select save option, and the settings will be saved in game. And then just close stuff here. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.